in your fucking police car.
I'm going to recommend that you
I'm
back
going to
up.
recommend
I'm going to recommend that
you
back
get
up.
in your SUV.
On April 7th, 2023, police were called after several people reported a woman creating a disturbance on a bridge.
I'm Officer Kinney. I'm with the St. Augustine.
I love you.
Okay, I'm with the St. Augustine Police Department. I don't have a problem with you. I don't know you. I don't know your little boy here.
Yes.
Okay, but
I'm being confronted, undocumented, for no reason. Like
I'm sorry. Can you 10-9?
St. Augustine is hit or miss, whether or not you hit evil or you hit good.
If someone can
50-50.
start rolling this way, just code 1, just because I'm in the middle of traffic holding everything up. So because of where we're at right now, what I'm just asking is if you and I can just have an adult conversation.
I'm always up for adult conversation.
All right. Would you prefer to walk that way?
I would prefer to have documentation of your copies of record.
Okay.
Of the complaints.
Okay, well, I've gotten 2 phone calls so far. Okay?
I would love documentation.
Okay, well, I can't provide that to you right now in the middle of the bridge,
well,
okay? I'd be more than happy to get that to you, but what I'm wondering is, for our safety and for the vehicles...
Do you think we're unsafe right now? On this
solid
brick?
Here, you're cussing at me.
Am I cussing?
Yes.
How have I you?
Okay.
When have I cussed at you? Because I feel
You've been using the F word ever since I got here.
Really?
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not right now.
Because I haven't used that word at all.
Okay, sweetie, are you okay?
So you are the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so get back in your fucking police car.
I'm going to recommend that you back up.
I'm going to recommend that you
back up.
get in your SUV. Because you are making up that is not happening.
1069 to
And I will contact my lawyer.
Okay.
You cannot resist us.
Okay.
You want to be a cop right now? Go right ahead.
Yeah,
we will wait it out.
I'm thinking she's going to fight. So
it's not a fight.
Okay.
It's a ground.
Well, I mean, so here's...
Because she wants to interfere with my opening?
Yeah.
Ooh, witchcraft.
Sweetheart,
Ooh,
are you okay? You're not okay. Okay.
Creating a fuss over nothing can cause a big problem, and here's the result.
What are we doing?
We're going to put you in handcuffs.
For what? Are we just going to talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay?
That's fine.
We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
That everybody on this bridge is nice? You vetted them? You sure they're not?
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape.
don't
Because that's
need to
not
review
true.
it. There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me.
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed and I am happy and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
You want to get on here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge. If you, yes.
Replay the tape right now before we leave. Stay still.
I'll let him get in front with me.
Okay.
Stay
Perfect.
still.
Thank you.
Before we
over for me.
replay the
Could you
tape.
step over for me?
Because I have not
Go ahead and
cussed
step
Yeah.
over.
Come on.
Until you admit that I have not cussed at you once, I'm not.
Would you please?
Can you please just...
Not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Just don't kiss me, okay?
I'm not going to.
I'm a nice guy. You don't want to.
Are you?
It's
She's not
not...
a nice girl. She's a corrupt cop. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up.
Follow you, molests people
Okay.
all the time.
Go, just.
Piece of you. No, I'm not stepping into the for no reason. Why am I being arrested?
The other side.
Stop me. No.
Listen,
I'm
come on,
not.
please.
No.
Please.
You have to tell me why I am being arrested.
Get out.
First,
Just
you
so we
have
can
to read me my Miranda rights. You
Get in the
can't
car.
just stick somebody in a locked box for no reason. I was on the sidewalk, you piece of You will pay for this. You will go to hell.
Will you come over here with me? Watch your step up there, okay?
Papa 2999 St. John's. Show 1 detained. She's going to be in back of my vehicle. We can clear everyone off the bridge.
Hey, Carrie Ann, hold on 1 second. Oh. Open your front door! Open your front door!
Yeah,
I'll turn the car. Throw it on the ground.
Mace me now! You gonna mace a 5 foot, 3 foot girl? For what? Walking across the ridge? You!
We got her, Zach.
Zach, you've got handcuffs?
Yeah, good luck. Getting them together.
Her legs.
Joey, here, grab the shackle.
Yes, I will resist!
Get her in the car. He's on.
Yes.
The corrupt police that you are! You are out! I hope you get
Lift her up. I'm stuck. Lift her up. She's got me wrapped around her. Get off me!
like really
Get off me!
We need to get her shackled.
What is her deal?
Yeah, what is all this deal? What is this deal?
We got her secured.
Because I
got her.
told you the truth?
What's going on?
Because I'm a whistleblower?
Well, she's got battery on Leo. I know that much. And disorderly conduct. She's wrapped around my leg cap.
Alright, let go. Get her up.
Let go of his leg.
Let go of his leg.
Tell him to let go of me.
Get off my leg.
Right there. Hold on.
I will trade one life for another. I can't wait for you.
She needs to be hobbled and placed in that car. We can't lift her up one more time.
You wrong bitch and her baby. You for what? For what?
Where's Embry?
He's got the kid.
Alright. We pick her up on all four sides. We'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Someone grab the legs. Two
Yes.
just grab the front, and we'll just throw her in there.
Can we get this wrapped around her? Even if you have to tie it up more.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Why? I'm treated like a animal in the
What
first
is
place.
this?
There hasn't even been an exchange of
We
conversation.
check her while she's down. We search her and
God,
all.
I cannot wait. Morgan and Morgan.
What?
Talk about this.
Ready? One.
I have no idea.
Cap coming in. Cap coming in.
You are losing your bombs, bro. You
Got her?
go those. Get the off of me, pervert.
Stop.
You stop. You force me. Do whatever the I want. I'm in the bag. Oh, you feeling real big? Aren't you? I'm already detained, you pervert.
You want to kick me in the face one more time?
Oh, you
Huh?
want to detain me for no reason? Oh,
Stop hitting me. She slipped out the handcuff.
Oh, back up. Back.
ooh,
Get the handcuff
you
on her
let
hand.
rough?
Get the handcuff on her hand.
Yeah, what is this for? Oh,
We're gonna
oh
have
my
to dump her
God.
out. We're gonna have to dump.
Going on.
Hey,
Hey, grab my glasses and right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to
Grab
be
her
hobbled.
legs. She can only kick us from here. Grab the shackles.
Grab her legs. Grab her shackles. For what?
You got that all?
Because you don't know what to do with an unbounded soul. One that can't like you. You all are you bots.
Yeah.
Is my hat over there?
Ooh,
Uh,
it's not
It's not
true.
in the car.
I don't see it.
I cannot wait till you rot.
Got it?
$78 fell out of her pocket. She's gonna need. Her kid's gonna need it.
No.
Under your windshield for right now.
Thank you. Can you call back in or meet me down there or
Yeah, I
meet with one of y'all just so we can get your information? Yeah.
I got this arm. You got that arm?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that arm? Oh, you're so strong.
How's she sliding out of these things?
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can. We'll double
Oh, you're
handcuff
so strong. Why am I being arrested again and treated like a animal?
double handcuff her.
Oh, don't handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to do with an unbounded soul. You're like, well, that's karma.
I'm just going straight to the jail.
The officer found the kid's grandma's house, made sure the kid was in safe hands, and explained the situation to his granny.
Colin, it was nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Poor kid. So apparently she just had too much to drink. He said, we didn't know about this, but apparently she was thrown out of a bar because she wanted to-go drinks, and clearly she's had too much to drink, and she was on the bridge, and I guess he said that she was giving people the finger and cussing at people and screaming. And then our officer got out with her and was trying to get her to move along, and she just wasn't having it.
Did they take her to the hospital?
She's going to jail. Well, today she's going to jail, unfortunately. It was just way too much, so we couldn't get her to get off the bridge. We had to put her in handcuffs. We went to put her in the back of the car. When we put her, I had to pick up her feet and set her in there, but then when I was trying to get him, she managed to crawl through a tiny little area, and I don't know if she was trying to drive off in the car or not, but she got into the front, and then she really started resisting. I guess she got the cuffs in front of her, and and I'm sure the alcohol doesn't help.
No, you're not supposed to. No drugs, no drinking. Where was he?
With her, sitting there crying on the bridge. It was
The
not
312
good.
bridge?
No, ma'am. Bridge Alliance.
Okay.
I'm sorry. My name's Brandon Embry.
Lori, I'm Grandma.
Nice to meet you.
Actually, I just talked to an officer this morning because I was Officer Whitehead.
Now the officer is explaining to her superiors about the whole situation and about the kid.
So we get a call about a very belligerent person screaming at her kid on the bridge. We end up getting multiple calls. I show up, I try to talk to her immediately. She's like, so her little boy's crying on the ground, so I go to climb over to talk to him. She gets right in my face. We decide, okay, my backup's there. We're going to put her in handcuffs. Immediately starts resisting. We get her in handcuffs. We get her in the back. She gets out of the handcuffs and climbs through my partition, which does not have a lock on it, which is news to me. Then she climbs through up front? Yep, she climbs through up front. She's in the front of my car. Oh my goodness. So we pull her back out. We get her back into handcuffs. We shackle her. We try to hobble her. She gets out of all of that. How'd she do that? She's a squirmy little thing. She's squirmy, and she's very feisty. She deliberately urinated on one of my officers, and he got kicked in the head a couple of times. And I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet, but she is a doll.
Where's the kid?
I haven't. They said she's listed multiple times, so I imagine. But she is saying she's saying when the handcuffs come off, me specifically is going to get one between the eyes, but I don't know how she's going to feel about you guys. Okay.
She was arrested for resisting arrest with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and disorderly conduct.